Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at some Scotch anti-slip pads. Now if you have furniture that keeps moving on you, if you have new hardwood floors just installed and your furniture keeps moving, a lot of the newer furniture could have some anti-slip pads, but some of the old ones do not. So I picked up a pack of 10 here. They come in different configurations to let you know. I'm going to actually put this on my furniture. Now the back of my furniture sits on a wood floor and the front of it sits on a carpet. So I'm not going to put them on the carpet. I'm going to actually put them on the back where it sits on the floor, and that should stop the friction when you sit down from the couch moving. But I just want to do just a quick unboxing and just show you how to install this. Really easy. This is not going to be a long video. Just want to give you some information. I will leave a link down below in the field over here for this type of item below here, and also there'll be a link at the end of here as well. Right around here there should be a link. So go ahead and purchase that if you're interested. I do get a small commission. I did purchase this myself just to be clear and transparent. So what it is a Scotch anti-slip discs. They have self-adhesive right here in the back. You pull and stick really easy. Wash machines, it's showing furniture, keeps things from moving around. If you get a wash machine that jumps around when it moves, this could help. You know, you got to keep adjusting it, things like that. Direction is basically clean, peel, and stick. That's as easy as it is, easy as it gets. So let's just open this up real quick, and let's just take a look at these real quick, and then we'll go ahead and install them. Okay, so I took a pack of 5 out. I just wanted to show you what they look like. They're like little discs, and they're actually very interesting. They got a really good grip to them. They're really nice grip to them. Let's get a close-up. I want to show you what they look like close-up. You can see the detail, like little feet in here, like little tiny pads, and that's going to grab, and it's going to hold really, really tight. Here is the back. Now, the back is where the self-adhesive is. All you do is just peel it off really easy, and then let's just see how sticky that is. That's pretty sticky. All right, put that back on. But you can see how they are. So you can put, there's 10 of them here, so you can do a couple pieces of furniture, some tables, whatever you have. I'm going to use just 2 like I mentioned before, and I'm going to put them back on my furniture. So we're going to clean off the back first before we install them. And I just want to show you one more time what they look like, and just give you a quick measurement on these. Let me get my ruler out so you know. It says 2.5 inches. We'll just double check that. And yes, it is confirmed. It is 2.5 inches, just like it says. If I can get this to focus, there it is. Bam. All right, let's go install these and see how they work. Hey guys, appreciate your time as always. Hope you enjoy my videos. I have over 1,100 videos on my channel. I do all types of how-to, you name it, tech reviews, and simple things like putting on pads, because you're not really sure how to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's really, really easy. So don't forget to follow the channel for more. Appreciate your time as always, and let's get these installed. This is a very short video. Okay, let's go. See, here's the couch here. And you can see it's sitting on a carpet, and the back is not. And sometimes this couch just slides. You see how it slides like that there? It's just sliding. And it's sliding off the back really where where the resistance will be on the floor. That's where you want this to be. That's why I'm not going to put it on the front. I don't really want to rip this carpet just in case. So I want it to go on the floor and the back. So we're just going to lift up the back. There's 2 feet. That's where we're going to install it. You can see pretty easy it moves. We're going to test it right after we install it, so let's get installing it right now. Okay, so now you can see here is the back of the couch like we were talking about. So what we have to do is you do have to lift the couch a little bit. You might need some help, but lift it a little bit if you can. And then what you want to do is you just want to clean the bottom up a little bit, like this. Let's clean that bottom, like that, a little napkin. And it's really a piece of plastic, and that's why it's moving so much, because it's plastic. And plastic on the floor is just going to keep sliding back and forth. When I put this on, it's going to stop that from happening. And that's a really good thing. So let's just get this peeled off. That's all cleaned. That's all set to go. Let's pull off this little self-adhesive. Right? This is really easy to do. Do it yourself. Easy breezy. Pick this up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. Let's see. I like that, and put on the floor. Now that's sitting on top of that. That's not going to go anywhere. And when people put some weight on it, and now let's go install the other side and see how that goes. Okay, so we're on the other side now. Here is our pad. We're just going to clean this one up too. Same exact thing, just lift it up, clean it underneath a little bit, that dust off there, any dirt, and we're going to put a pad right underneath there. So you can see here. So what happens, if you don't put a pad on it, it can scratch the floor a little bit. You can see a little bit of scratching. So a lot of times that does happen. So we don't want that to happen. We just want to put this pad on. You want to stop that from moving as much as possible. Take that off. Lift this up. Let's see. Let me get under here and take a better look at it. And underneath it, easy breezy, right in the center. And that's not going to go anywhere. Now, this is not moving. Not moving at all. Amazing. That's not going anywhere. All right, let's look at the front of it and see. Okay, now you can see here. So I finished putting it on, and now it does not move. That is not going anywhere. That is awesome. Just two in the back like I told you, and you're good to go. You don't have to put them in the front. So if you got furniture that's sliding all the time, this is an easy fix. I think it's going to work fantastic. Perfect, doesn't move. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I think this is a great item. I absolutely love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review. And the video will be, there'll be a link here, and there'll be a link right over here at the end.